Mr. President, your cabinet meeting will be starting shortly.
In fact, carpenters had to raise the desk a couple of inches. It was...
Well, please, sorry. Please, get settled. Taking over some creek bottom land, and it was rocky and covered with brush. He got rid of all the rocks and hauled them away.
He's of out-of-control spending, unfair taxation, and worship of...
As I was working on it for the last couple of years, I kept wanting to reach out and touch him. And you know, we had opportunities to actually go step up onto the stage as we were testing the depths and everything. And it was a little scary, but very exciting to be able to see him in the flesh again.
And then that digital head was placed on this actor's body, and then the...
Because of Ronald Reagan hologram, I think it will advance the technology even more, because they pushed us so hard. The executives at the Ronald Reagan Library, they pushed us so hard to make sure to get it right that we had to come up with solutions to scenarios that we never had problems for in the past.